Many major business deals are signed at the dinner table, and many second dates never happen because of what happens at the dinner table. You might be the smartest and most charming person in the room, but if you hold your fork like a shovel and you chew with your mouth open, then you instantly lower your value in the eyes of the others. Dining etiquette is not about being snobby. It's about navigating your meal with such a grace that everyone focuses on your conversation, not on your chewing. Today I am walking you through 5 basic table manners that everyone needs to know to look classy, polished and confident. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lucy and I'm an international etiquette specialist. Today we are going back to the basics. Whether you're at a fancy wedding, a business lunch, have a nice dinner with your friends, the rules of the table are universal. Mastering these rules gives you confidence. When you know exactly what to do with this napkin, with your silverware, you can relax and enjoy your food. Let's dive into the 5 biggest mistakes people make around the table and how to fix them. The meal starts the moment when you sit down, but wait, do not attack the breadbasket yet. The first rule is about the napkin. The moment you sit, you open it gently and put it on your lap. And do not ever tuck it in your collar like a bib. If you need to leave the table to use the restroom, place your napkin on your chair, not on the table. Why? Because placing it on the table usually signals the waiter that I'm finished, but leaving it on the table says that I'll be right back. So rule number 1, we take the napkin and put it on our lap. Rule number 2, how you hold your silverware. This is the biggest giveaway of your etiquette level. Never hold your fork and knife like you're gripping a weapon or a shovel. Instead, use the index finger method. So your index fingers guide the cutlery. You put it in your palm and your index finger is resting on the top. The same with your fork. That's all. It's delicate, controlled and effortless. Second, did you know your silverware has a secret language? If you are taking a break to sip your drink or have some talk, do not ever put back your silverware on the clothes like this. Never, it stains. Or like this. It's not right. Instead, place them in inverted V shape on your plate. It signals the waiter that I'm still eating. Please do not take my plate. When you are completely finished the meal, just put them together at 4 o'clock position. This is the universal code for I'm done, you can clear the table. Number 4 is your body language around the table. Sit up straight and never put elbows when there is food in front of you. You can rest your elbows on the table while drinking a coffee or chatting or during the courses, but never put the elbows while eating. And the last rule for today is to respect the reach zone. If you need the salt and it's more than an arm's length away, do not stand up or lean across someone's face to grab it. No. Just simply ask, could you please pass the salt? Thank you. And the golden rule of kindergarten, chew with your mouth closed. If someone asks a question while you are eating, do not answer immediately. Chew, swallow, and then answer. I can't do that, but I know exactly what to do. No, you take it. Yes, I can do that, but I don't know exactly what to do. Dining etiquette is about respecting the food and the company. And I would like to know, what is your biggest table etiquette weakness? Maybe it is chewing with your mouth open. Let me know in the comments below. If you are ready to eat with elegance, please like this video for more modern manners. Bon appetit, and I'll see you in the next video.